Culture plays an essential role in a country. It is prominent because culture shows the identity of the country. In Indonesia, there are many cultures such as traditional food, traditional song, traditional ceremonies, etc. The pluralism of Indonesia cultures is the main strength and the big potential to develop the Indonesia, especially in economic aspect. Unfortunately, the proud and own feeling of Indonesia people decreased by the time. One reason is that the impact of globalization era that moved aside the various life aspects of Indonesian people, especially in culture and economic aspect. The impact of globalization era moved aside and appeared in East Java people. East Java people has been ignoring the traditional culture. Every household in East Java people eager to watch the TV program from India, Korea, and Japan. Besides, the lifestyle of other Java people, the data of BPS show that the East Java has the biggest number of poor people in Indonesia, 40.74 million people, and the 3.21 people of them from the village. Thus, food problem have to be solved, and Indonesia has to implement the creative economy to compete with other countries in the ASEAN Economic Community 2015. Because of that, I have an idea about the program, namely Cultural Heritage Program, that can increase the economic level of village people and also to prevent the culture of Indonesia from the impact of globalization. The first is to describe the concept of the tourism cultural village. And the second, to know the effective way to promote the tourism cultural village. This program maps out the culture into 4 culture into 4 points. The first point is that the first traditional art, the second traditional culinary, and now I will answer for the first campus. The concept for the 4 main points of the cultures in this program is that the first, for the traditional art tours, we use the concept like parade or demonstration. The second, for the traditional culinary tours, we use the concept the natural environment. And the third, for the traditional handicraft tours, we use the concept for the tourists to practice to make the traditional handicraft. And the fourth, for the traditional game stores, we use the concept, the education for the children to know about the philosophical fact. And the next, the traditional game is the second objective. The marketing strategy that will be implemented in this program are used the online media and offline media. Online media we use such as Facebook, Twitter, and etc. And for the offline media, we use the continuity of this program can be done with customers by the help of Cultural and Tourism Office of its Regency, the Tourism Ambassador of its Regency, the legalization of the Tourism and Cultural Office of East Java Province, culturists, East Java people and communities.